Wait, no. Do I do it like this? I don't know. Today we'll be playing Sucking Perry. Now Perry's an annoying. Shut up, bro. Shut up. Bro, stop, bro. Bro, you stop. Wait. Did they accidentally code that in? Bro, shut yo up. I almost just hit your private part. Oh, stop. Bro. But yeah, we're gonna be playing Talking Berry today. We're gonna see how this little. I love how this game was literally my childhood, but it's still annoying me. Goddamn. Oh.
Become a superhero with Talking Tom. Design your own secret base. So cool. Pick your hero outfit and suit up. Watch over the neighborhood.
Bro.
Help people get to the...
Good. Okay. No. You keep throwing things at me. What games do you have, bro? Let's switch up games, bro. Can you hear me now? That's what I thought. Are we serious right now? Alright, so here's the thing. You're not gonna repeat me, bro. What? If you repeat me one more time and you mix it with something else, it's gonna sound weird.
If you repeat me one more time and you mix it with something else, bro.
What?
What?
Huh? What you mean? You know what? How about this? You shut. No. No. How about you shut yo little. I'm not gonna say the word, bro. How about you shut yo little carrot, purple nail having butt. And put yourself in an adoption center. These guys are really annoying, you know? Bro, stop! Stop repeating me. And if you don't, I'll send you to the adoption center where you belong.
Stop repeating me.
You know what? I'm done. You know what? You know what? Sending you to the adoption center. Sorry, bro. Sorry, pal.
You know what?
Bro, shut your mouth, man. There we go. Yes, but big. Yeah, you work at the adoption center now, right? Yeah, I need to talk to Pierre right now. Thank you. See, I just called the. I will clap your cheeks all the way to Africa, bro.
Way to Africa, bro.
Alright, bro. Here's the thing, bro. You're gonna listen to me. See, I took you. Here's the thing, bro. I called the adoption center on you, and now you're leaving in 5 minutes. Get dressed, bro.
Sorry, pal.
What? No, that's not what I said.
No.
You know, I'm gonna throw tomatoes at you. Don't shut your little. I don't know, because I don't want to say bad word. If you throw one more thing at me, I will shove you in a straitjacket and send you to the nearest local Goodwill.
Put a straitjacket and send you.
What? How'd you get that?
Put a straitjacket and send you to the nearest local Goodwill.
You shut up, Talking Tom.
Shut up to the nearest local Goodwill. Shut up, Talking Tom.
He just set himself to shut.
Stop Talking Tom.
Hey, I like Talking Tom. You know, he said it. Yeah.
Hey, I like Talking Tom. You know Talking Tom.
Wait, you like him too?
Hey, I like Talking Tom. You know he said yeah.
Everybody likes Talking Tom now, right? even Talking Tom.
But even.
Stop copying me. Stop copying me, yeah, mate.
Don't call me you mate. Talking Tom.
Bro, how about you shut your tea having lick-a-doogan? Bro, stop. Yo, like and subscribe so I can get more. Give me more subscribers so I can have therapy, bro. Like, I'm being so serious right now. I need therapy. Seriously, bro. I need therapy because of this bird. Because of this little green owl. This parroting toucan. Whatever this is, I will literally send him into a straitjacket. What? Bro, Avatar and the last green bird that's gonna happen to you, bro. Shut up. See these stars right next to the blender, you know? Yo, this is what's gonna happen right in your head if you don't shut up. See these stars? This is what's gonna happen to your head once I knock you over into a straitjacket and tie you up. And then I put you in a blender and make some bird soup. Huh? What? Huh? You were too scared to finish the whole sentence. I'm not gonna have them. AK. What?
Bang.
I didn't know Talking Perry was gang affiliated. Jeez.
I didn't know talking and then I blender and make some bird soup.
Chill. Bro, I'm about to call Talking Ginger and make a video with you and him, and then we're gonna see who's more annoying, you or that cringy Ginger. Wait, is he Ginger or Ginger? Wait, whoa, what? Bro, I couldn't even find a roast. Alright, bro, I just know that all y'all little creatures are just, like, remember Talking Baby Hippo? Like, at least she's not an annoying little frick.
Alright, bro, I just know that all y'all little creatures are just,
Were you beating me up?
and make a video with you and him, and we're gonna see who's more.
Alright, bro. Here's what's gonna happen.
Here's what's gonna happen.
Here's what's gonna happen. Me and you are gonna have a truce, and then after that, we're not gonna beef.
Here's what's gonna
I
happen.
didn't get
You
it.
are gonna have a and then like when I'm talking baby kids, so like Ellie said, I'm little.
What were you gonna say after that, bro?
After that, we're not gonna.
You know what? You know what?
What are you gonna say after that, bro?
You know what? I think it's finally time to take a picture of you and realize. Hold on.
It's finally time to take. After that, we're not gonna. It's finally time to take a picture of you and realize.
I think what's gonna happen right now is
I think.
shut up, bro.
What are you gonna say after that, bro?
I was gonna say, can you shut?
I think what's gonna happen right now.
You shut up, Talking Tom, bro, or else I'll strangle your neck.
Picture of you and realize.
Did I take a picture of me? And... Huh? Are you teaming up to kill me? What? Y'all shut up, bro. I'll beat you. Bro, I can beat a toucan. I can beat a cat.
Shut up, bro.
Not that I would. Not that I would though.
Not that I would.
Alright, bro. Stop. I don't want to do this, but
Bang.
you trying to shoot me, bro? Bro, I can't split. One day, I need to buy the Splash t-shirt so we can make like a whole series, bro. Woohoo! Shut up.
Shut up. Or so string the unit.
What?
Or so string the unit.
Bro, what? Yo.
Or so string the unit.
Bro, stop. Yo. Chill. Hey, what did I do? Oh, yeah. You're getting really lovely. And then I... Human fingers, watch this. Turn that blender on, and you can shut up. Alright, now I want to talk with you for a summer. I'm not a toucan, you are. What? Alright, I just want to talk to you.
I just want to talk to you. Talk.
Are you gay?
Are you gay?
Are you gay?
Chill.
Yes?
Yes. Chill.
Bro, are you gay?
No, are you gay? Talk.
Are you?
Are you? Talk.
Are you gay though? Like genuine.
Are you gay? Chill. Are you gay? Like genuine.
Yes, maybe. Yes. Maybe.
Yes, maybe. Talk.
Oh, so you might be gay.
Yes, maybe. Yes.
So are you gay?
So are you gay? Talk.
Did you just say a bad word?
Did you say bad word? Yes.
Wait, so I have one definitive question. Are you?
Definitive question. Are you? Like genuine.
Yes or no?
Yes or no. Talk.
Yes or no?
Yes or no. Talk.
You know, I think this is the answer, honestly. You know. I think this is the answer, actually. Hold on. Translate. Say something before I pull up translator, bro.
Say something. Yes.
You are.
Say something before I pull up translator, bro.
You are gay. Oh my gosh, bro.
Oh my gosh, bro. You know, this is the answer, actually. You know.
Bro, I will.
Bro.
Bro, I will. You know what? Talking Tom, come over here, please.
I will translator, bro. I will, talking Tom, come on.
You know what? I'm done with this cat.
You know what, I'm done.
I'm gonna play. I'm gonna play a little bit of Almost Friend. All right. So since he got way too freaking annoying, I'm gonna play with this guy.
Hello.
Hi, Hank. Okay, let's race him. Let's go! Yay! 3, 2, 1. Man, freaking quick. No, he's gonna kill me, man. Hey, what's this? I'm a freaking king. Not that way, not that way. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come over here, bro. Come over here. Tom, your girlfriend is done, bro. And I'm serious. Okay. Is that good, bro? Yay, lost! Yay, I lost! Why is there a toucan? Yay. Yay! No, bro, I'm good. Bro, there's no way we're doing this. Alright. No! I don't want to do this. Yes, I want to quit. I said I didn't want. Didn't I say I don't want to do anything? I just want to take care of you. Yeah, go back to your little home. Orcaladon! Orcaladon! It's me. How about you praise that, bro? No, I just don't. Alright, how about this? We are gonna feed you infinite bananas. I'm gonna feed you as much bananas as I want. You know what? You take a shower. Go in the bathroom, I guess. Go in the bathroom. That's a good boy. Whoa. Okay. We're gonna take him in the bath. Okay. Whoa! You know what? I'm done. You know what? Outfit 7. Make a game that says talking Orcaladon, and I'll be happy. See you in the next one.